Welcome back to Autocrafters, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels, from pulse-quickening performance machines to serene luxury cruisers. Today we're diving deep into a luxury sedan that's redefining elegance, comfort and innovation, the 2025 Genesis G80. The G80 has always been a statement of sophistication from the Korean automaker Genesis, but in 2025 it's pushing the boundaries even further with refined powertrains, cutting-edge technology and design language that speaks fluent luxury. Buckle up, because we're about to explore what makes the 2025 Genesis G80 not just a competitor but a true contender in the world of mid-size luxury sedans. The 2025 Genesis G80 continues its bold evolution in design, blending athletic proportions with timeless luxury. Up front you're greeted by the signature Crest Grille, now slightly wider and framed by slimmer quad LED headlamps that give off a high-tech jewel-like effect. Genesis has masterfully balanced boldness and grace. The G80's long hood, fastback silhouette and clean, uninterrupted beltline ooze elegance. Aerodynamic enhancements such as active grille shutters, underbody cladding and a slightly redesigned rear diffuser not only add flair but also improve fuel efficiency and wind resistance. New for 2025 are two exclusive colors, Onyx Graphite and Moonstone Emerald, both of which shimmer differently under daylight and ambient lighting, making the G80 a rolling piece of kinetic art. The 20-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, flush door handles and satin chrome detailing reinforce that premium vibe. Every element seems precision-milled and deliberate. Step inside and you're no longer in a car, you're in a luxury lounge. Genesis continues to prioritize beauty of white space, their minimalist design ethos for a cabin that's both calming and futuristic. The two-tone Nappa leather upholstery feels buttery soft to the touch and is available in shades like forest blue, vanilla beige and the new terracotta brown. The 12.3-inch 3D digital instrument cluster and a wide 27-inch OLED infotainment display span nearly half the dashboard. It's not just screens for the sake of flash, it's thoughtful tech integration aimed at enhancing usability. Wood trims or real aluminum switches feel solid, and the steering wheel now features a haptic feedback module for safer interaction. Ambient lighting is now customizable with over 64 color combinations, shifting subtly to match driving modes. Rear passengers enjoy just as much luxury: power adjustable seats, climate zones and even optional massaging functions. Whether you're the driver or a rear passenger, the G80 cocoons you in opulence. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G80 offers refined power and smooth delivery rather than brute force. The base engine is a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4, making 300 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's efficient, smooth and surprisingly peppy for a car of this size. Step up to the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 and you get 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque, delivering 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. This model features an adaptive electronic suspension with road preview technology, using a forward-facing camera to scan the road and pre-adjust damping. The result is a ride that glides over imperfections. Both engines come with either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, with the latter providing extra grip in poor weather or twisty roads. Drive modes tweak throttle response, steering and suspension settings, allowing the G80 to shape-shift from a laid-back cruiser to a sharp executive express. There's also active sound design, which amplifies engine notes through the speakers, and it's customizable from serene to sporty. The massive OLED touchscreen is now powered by the latest Genesis Connected Services 3.0 system. That means over-the-air updates, multi-user profiles, AI-enhanced voice commands and seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, now finally wireless. One standout feature: the new Mind Mode, an AI assistant that adjusts seat posture, lighting, music and climate based on your mood or time of day. There's also a reimagined augmented reality heads-up display that overlays navigation and driver alerts directly on the windshield. Genesis has also introduced Remote Smart Parking 2.0. Not only can your G80 parallel or perpendicular park itself while you're outside the car, but it can also now autonomously exit tight spaces. There's also a G80 electrified model available separately, but even the gasoline models feature eco mode, start-stop systems and lightweight materials that improve overall efficiency. Genesis has also increased its use of recyclable materials and eco-friendly paints in the 2025 production cycle. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Genesis G80 luxury sedan. Whether you're a seasoned luxury buyer or a first-time premium shopper, this car deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. What do you think of the G80? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to Autocrafters for more in-depth reviews of the latest machines hitting the road, from executive sedans to electric beasts.